What is an atom? And what you mean by charge? Let's learn these topics in just 4 minutes. Imagine you have a chocolate and you keep breaking it into smaller and smaller pieces. You would get very tiny powder and try to cut it using micro tools under a microscope. Eventually, you would reach a point where you can't break it anymore. That unbreakable piece is like an atom. Everything that we see around us, the mountains, river, elephant, flowers, balloon, chocolate, human, even the hairs are made up of atoms. Atoms are so small that we can't see them with our eyes or even with regular microscopes. The size of an atom is only 1/1000th of a centimeter, which cannot be processed by a human brain. Atoms are made up of even smaller particles. The center of an atom is called the nucleus, and it contains two types of particles, protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, and neutrons have no charge, so they are neutral. Like planets orbiting around the Sun, around the nucleus, there are even smaller particles called electrons which have a negative charge. An atom has equal number of protons and electrons, so that every atom is neutral in nature. If you were to ask about the charge of an atom, it is neutral. However, if all atoms remained neutral, we wouldn't have any charged materials. Without charged materials, electricity wouldn't exist, and as a result, the world would be drastically different from what we know today. What if we make this chargeless atom a charge? If you rub a balloon against your hair, electrons from your hair can transfer to the balloon. Few electrons in the hair pass into the balloon. Then the total number of electrons in the balloon will increase. Thus, balloon becomes negatively charged. But due to the loss of electrons in the hair becomes positively charged, and the negatively charged balloon attracts the positively charged hair. That is the reason why our hair sticks to the balloon. Positive charge and negative charge attract each other, just like how opposite ends of magnets attract. On the other hand, positive charges repel other positive charges, and negative charges repel other negative charges. Charge is what makes electricity possible. In many devices like phones or light bulbs, the movement of electric charges, usually electrons, is what powers them. What happens if charge drains out?